Basically, I'm a stand-up comedian. So I have been doing stand-up comedy all my life. I've been doing it for last 10 to 12 years. I've been practicing stand-up. So I had this thing in mind that I had to do something which was related to stand-up. And the closest that I could get is media science, because it was something, and this college especially, because this college has that thing, that vibe, that it will always help you to pursue things that is apart from studies. It will always help you to do that. Our college, before my batch, there was no stand-up comedy happening in the fests or anything. Nothing. The only reason was I had to pursue that. I had to go to teachers. I had to tell them, Shinjini ma'am, nahi Shinjini ma'am, इस बार cultural वाले fest में we will put stand-up. So that is how I pursued it. कि हाँ establish करते हैं कि हाँ college में भी stand-up होगा. तो वो चीज़, if you are willing to do something, college will help you out. You just have to reach out to the college. That's it. Media पढ़ने के बाद सब हो सकता है मेरे हिसाब से. Like you will at least get a knowledge of, maybe I don't know what would you be studying in the books, because I was not a very good student, obviously, but I know this much, that apart from studies, you're going to learn a lot of things which would actually make up your personality, where you can talk to people, where you can present yourself in front of people. That is like the best part that a college can give. As an example, I was not very good in studies always. So, अगर आप अच्छे नहीं होते हो पढ़ाई में, तो एक खानदान में आपका नाम रहता है कि ये क्या ही कर लेगा, है ना, उनके बेटे को वो नहीं कर सकते कुछ. बट वंस आई केम आउट ऑफ दिस कॉलेज, आई एम डूइंग गुड राइट नाउ, एंड माई पेरेंट्स आर हैप्पी, माई पेयर्स एंड एवरीबडी आर सीइंग मी हैप्पी, एंड देयर, तो अब जब दे आर हैप्पी, आई एम at a place, I'm at a stage where my college has actually helped me to be here. So now I can actually promote that in front of them. I can show that ki, haan, this is where I have become, this is what I can do. I am the vice president alumni of this college as of now, and the roles that I have to play is basically be in touch. First of all, we have to get in touch with all the alumni that we have of our college. They are doing very well, but we are not in touch with them. Like, we have to take care of that as well right now. At the present moment, we are trying to do that. This is the key role, to actually bring on everybody on board and then talk to them and tell them that this is how iLEAD is now, and this is how we can grow with iLEAD. Students who are coming to iLEAD right now, they should think of one thing, that these 4 years or 3 years, whatever they are going to live, that is going to be the best days of their life, like the best ones, because after the college you will never be able to like relive these moments where teachers will actually like come up to you, talk to you, and they would actually scold you. That scolding also will be something which you will miss when you are like out of this college. So iLEAD has played a huge role in making us feel comfortable when we were there in college, because वो जो mentors थे, जो भी staff थे, Ranjan sir, there are a lot of people. These people actually made us feel homely. That घर से अगर हम लोग आ भी रहे हैं यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पे लोग हैं हमारे पास. That was there always. They were behind our back. अगर कोई भी कुछ गलत हो रहा है कहीं पे, always taken care of things. So yeah, iLEAD has taken care of us when we were there. So it's a good community actually, not a college. It's a family.